Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create another slide. Let's see how it looks. I created in the channel 1 year ago this slide and it's go above 500 view, I think. That's really easy to create. Let's see how we can create this. We create new slide at first. This video is from the PowerPoint stock free video. We go here, insert video, stock video to get the PowerPoint free stock video. If you are not using anything wrong like cracks, you can use them. Don't use cracks that are not good. Okay, we insert our video. You can see it. It's our video. Now we need to create this format. Okay, let's go and see how we can create this format. At first, we insert a slide and like always, we insert a shape. We are going to use work with combine option. We insert a shape. As you can see, the space behind the S is visible. We must take this, create this option. We insert a text box and make it as big as possible. So care. That's good. We just change a font a little. No, this font is not good, but let me make it bigger for now. Okay. After being it for a little, we just going to make S bigger. Let's Gloria, it's good font, I think. Let's make the S bigger. Make it a little bigger. Now we need to align its center, align middle. Okay, the S is too big. We must slow it inside a little. That's good. Now we need to bold it. Ctrl A to select all, merge shape and press combine. Now this option is created. Now what we do, we just copy this page text I. This is a simple text, has nothing to do. We just copy it and then we need to copy and paste our video. We copy our video, paste it in the back, send to back, align it in the place. The video is important to start automatically. Here it's start automatically. It's very important to start automatically. And now we just need to change the color of our shape to black. Now run it. As you can see, everything looks smoothly as possible. We are in the way to the 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a world to me.